Considering the size of Saturn, the rings are surprisingly thin, only about 10 meters thick. The rings are actually spirals, grooved like vinyl records. The closest 5 moons are very close to each other. 3 of them are roughly 10,000 kilometers apart in their orbits. 2 of them, Janus and Epimetheus, have orbits within 50 kilometers of each other. We will discuss their cosmic promenade in the next video. Mimas is the smallest known object that has become spherical due to its own gravity, famous for its resemblance to the Death Star. Enceladus is the most reflective surface in the solar system. It has strange geysers that leave a water crystal trail behind it in its orbit. Tethys and Dione both have satellites in front and behind them as they orbit Saturn. These Trojan moons orbit in stable Lagrange points, 60 degrees in front and behind the larger moon. Dione has about the same orbital radius as our moon. Tethys is tidally locked to Saturn. Tethys is almost 100% water ice and is one of the most reflective surfaces in the solar system. Its most prominent feature is the gigantic Odysseus crater and the concentric impact ring known as the Ithaca Chasma. Tethys has darkening on its leading edge, like Iapetus, Dione, and Hyperion. This is dust from the distant moon, Phoebe. At the crazy width of 5150 kilometers, Titan is larger than Mercury, Pluto, and every other moon in the solar system besides Jupiter's Ganymede. It even has an atmosphere, made of nitrogen and methane. On this alien world, methane evaporates and accumulates in the atmosphere as clouds, then rains back down in liquid form, where it flows down rivers into lakes. Then it evaporates again, similar to Earth's water cycle, instead with super cold liquid methane. Titan is colder than anywhere on Earth. Iapetus is 3.5 million miles from Saturn. It is tidally locked to Saturn. One side is white and one side is black. The leading side is dark. Iapetus is a walnut moon. It has an amazingly tall equatorial ridge. We will discuss this in a further video. Phoebe orbits backwards. It is the second largest retrograde moon in the solar system, the furthest moon from Saturn. Phoebe emits an iron-based magnetically charged dust that creates a dark ring that slowly falls back towards Saturn. This dust is also collected by the other moons, especially the closest one, Iapetus. Saturn's moons that are water-based and tidally locked have their leading face coated with this dust. This turns them into half-bright, half-dark moons. We will look deeper into these moons, their formation, and their oddities in future videos.
For more fun explanations and new ideas about our universe, pick up a copy of Time Waves on the Shores of Forever, Paradigm-Shifting Solutions to the Mysteries of the Universe. Available in paperback book at Amazon.com.